Do you dream of making money online, but think you lack the necessary skills? Well, what if I told you that you can now turn your online interactions into a lucrative source of income without needing any special expertise? Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into an exciting topic that's taking the digital world by storm: making money online with ChatGPT with no skills required. In this video, we'll explore how the growing popularity of ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we interact online and opened up endless possibilities for content creation and income generation. But before we delve into the details, don't forget to show us some love by smashing that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and ringing the notification bell, so you never miss any of the exciting content we have in store for you. Let's begin. Understanding ChatGPT. Now, let's dive into the world of ChatGPT and unravel its incredible potential. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It uses state-of-the-art natural language processing techniques to simulate human-like conversations. In simpler terms, it's like having your very own AI assistant that can engage in dynamic and meaningful interactions with you and your audience. When ChatGPT initially debuted, its popularity soared to unprecedented heights. Within the first month of its release, it garnered over 1 million users, showcasing the incredible demand for its capabilities. Since then, the popularity of ChatGPT has only continued to surge. As of the latest statistics, it boasts an astounding user base of over 10 million individuals worldwide. One of the most remarkable aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to generate creative content. Whether you need blog post ideas, social media captions, or video scripts, ChatGPT can assist you in generating compelling and tailored content that resonates with your target audience. Let me demonstrate the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT with a few examples. Imagine you want a summary of the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Simply type in the prompt, "Give me a summary of the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad," and watch as ChatGPT generates a complete summary of the entire book within seconds. But we can take it even further. If you're eager for the top 10 main points from the book, just ask ChatGPT by typing in your prompt, and once again, in a matter of seconds, you'll have a response brimming with valuable insights. Now, let's explore another scenario. Suppose you want to understand what cryptocurrency is. Start a new chat, and a straightforward query like "What is cryptocurrency?" will elicit a response from ChatGPT. However, if you desire an even simpler explanation, you can seamlessly continue the conversation and type in, "Can you make it simpler to understand?" In no time, ChatGPT will provide you with a more accessible answer tailored to your request. These examples illustrate just a fraction of ChatGPT's vast capabilities. Now, let's delve into how we can harness the power of this extraordinary tool to generate income and seize the opportunities it presents. Making money by writing product descriptions. Have you ever wondered how online businesses entice customers to make purchases? Well, if you've ever bought something from Amazon or any online store, you've likely been influenced by a well-crafted product description. And here's the exciting part: many online store owners are seeking assistance in writing compelling product descriptions, presenting a lucrative opportunity for you to earn money. Take a look at platforms like Fiverr, where business owners are actively hiring freelancers to help them create persuasive product descriptions, specifically tailored for Amazon. Assisting Amazon business owners with their product descriptions not only showcases your talent but also demonstrates how you can monetize your skills by helping others succeed. If you're new to Fiverr, simply click on the link provided in the description below to create your account. It won't cost you a single penny, but it will greatly support me in creating more amazing videos like this one. Simply type in Amazon product descriptions in Fiverr and you will be presented with many successful people who offer these services. As you can see, this person charges $24 to write an Amazon product description. These other sellers are charging $78, $141, and even $156. If you scroll down, this person charges a whopping $196. There is some great opportunity for you to do the same thing, and I'm going to reveal to you the step-by-step guide. But it doesn't stop at Amazon. Shopify, another e-commerce giant, presents a similar opportunity. The e-commerce sector as a whole is vast, and you'll notice that both Amazon FBA and Shopify dropshipping businesses thrive on customer reviews. This means that countless business owners using these platforms require expert assistance in crafting engaging product descriptions. Now, let me guide you on how you can embark on this journey as well. How to use ChatGPT to write product descriptions. Let's start by searching for water bottles on Amazon to get a better understanding. As you can see, there are thousands of sellers in this category. As you scroll through the search results, you can click into a product, and you'll notice that each product has a set of bullet points. These bullet points play a crucial role in highlighting the features and benefits of the product. If you scroll down, you'll notice that some will have a product description as well. So, how can ChatGPT assist you in writing these bullet points? Let's walk through the process using this water bottle. First, copy the name of the product you've selected. Then, head over to ChatGPT and follow these simple prompts. Begin by typing the word product and paste in the product title from Amazon. Next, set the tone to be persuasive because your goal is to persuade people to make a purchase. Now, type in the prompt, write 5 Amazon-optimized bullet points explaining the features of the product and the benefit of each feature, using the phrase "so you can dot." Watch as ChatGPT works its magic, generating a set of compelling bullet points for you within seconds. It's that quick and efficient. Let's take a look at the first bullet point it generated for us. It reads, "Leak-proof design." This is the feature. Then it says our Ion 8 Kids One Touch on the Go printed water bottle features a leak-proof design, so you can say goodbye to messy spills and hello to worry-free hydration on the go. Keep your child's backpack and belongings safe and dry. Notice how it used the phrase "so you can" to link up the feature and the benefit. By using the prompt that I provided, it used this phrase for each of the bullet points, linking each feature to a benefit. But wait, there's more. As you scroll further down the product page, you'll notice there's usually a more detailed product description. To generate this section, simply go back to ChatGPT and continue the conversation. Type in "write a compelling product description." Like clockwork, ChatGPT will deliver a well-crafted product description that captures the essence of the product and persuades potential customers to take action. Finally, to present the information to your client, you can simply copy and paste all the information from the Amazon listing and ChatGPT to a Word document. It's as simple as that. Congratulations! In less than 5 minutes, you've successfully written a compelling product description and 5 bullet points with the help of ChatGPT. Now, you can take these skills over to platforms like Fiverr and replicate the process to start earning. Your earning potential is limitless. Harnessing the power of ChatGPT to generate income online without requiring special skills opens up a world of opportunities. Are you ready to dive into the realm of ChatGPT and unlock your earning potential? Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. See you in the next video.